guys. So welcome to my channel, Happy Life. So this time is bibigay kami ng surprise birthday ng mama ko because it's her 60th birthday. So yan po yung mama ko. Ayan. And here, kasama ko si Eva Story. Ayan. Kasama ko si Eva Story. Ayan. Wow. So, nag-prepare kami ng mga decorations para sa kanya. So, surprise po ito, guys. Surprise birthday for my mom. Sana maging masaya siya sa araw na ito because it's her birthday, 60th. Ayan. So, this is the venue, guys. Here in Chandler Suite, Pagadan City, Blue KTV Bar. Ayan. So, yes. Mag-prepare na kami. Decoration. Ayan. So, wala pang food. Hindi pa dumating yung lechon natin. Dito yung tatay ko. Yes, papi. Wala pa siyang boses kasi nagkaroon po ng yung dito niya, throat. So, great happy birthday to mother. Happy birthday, madam. May surprise flower pa si Papi. Ay! Really, Papi. Yan. Oh my God. Oh, parang sa akin. Fake news, hindi pala sa akin. Happy birthday, Mommy! We love you. Happy 60th birthday. God bless you po. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday from your family, from Papi, from my brothers, Elem, Rinren, Willard, and me, and Eva. So, happy birthday. God bless you. And more birthdays to come po. Love you, Mommy! Guys, ito po yung venue ng birthday ni Mother. So, ito po yung Chandler City Blue KTV Bar. So, this is our room. Pasok po tayo at tingnan natin kung ano na yung laman. Hi! Welcome to the party! Megan and Eva Story.
Taga dito ka?
Yes, of course.
Invited, Mom.
Hindi ako nawawala. So, ito na po yung food. Wala pang laman. Sana po lahat ng aming food. Enjoy lang. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
mga bisita.
Ano yung mga bisita di ay?
Padulong pa.
Sa mali mga bisita. Sa ka ni Lord o taas na kinabuhi dayon nga unta nga magpadayon pa ka nga mag-serve ni Lord nga throughout sa imong journey sa imong pagkapastoral kay padunggan pagid na mo ang word ni God sa imuha o hantod sa pinakalas nimo nga breath kay ma-share gyapon nimo ang pulong sa Ginoo o I hope nga karon nga adlaw kay enjoy nimo nga ma-feel na mo nga happy ka sa imong adlaw o punta nga tagaan ni Lord mo maayong panlawas o more birthdays to come. Love you.
Happy birthday. Salamat kayo nga invited me uban sa akong mga anak.
Kapamilya.
Nga Matthew 33:6.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Blow the candle, mami. Wow.
Pamilya na dyan.
Sige, let's eat, guys.
Okay, Alina.
Uy, ang kuan. I-serve sa ang ano, plate. Dali na ko! The Taray of the year goes to Joshua.
I wake up with a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back. Moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams. We all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do? Start up